Are we live? Let me check. Let me check. Perfect, perfect. We guys are live. How you doing, guys? Hope everybody is doing good. I'm Shub, and this is our first live. Today we're gonna talk about nothing else. We're just gonna do a live vibe coding. Just turn off the music so I can talk to you guys for a bit. Let me introduce myself. I'm Shub. I'm from Los Angeles, and today we're gonna start building the app that I have been thinking about and I have been working about. I have made a POS for restaurants and food trucks, and today we're gonna talk about the whole perfect thing that is for sales. So basically, this is an agentic sales platform that we're gonna make and that we're gonna talk about today. So let me just take this up. Let's take this up a bit. Let me take my browser here. Perfect. Let me share the link. Where can I find the link? Okay, not here. This is the live control room. I guess we need to go to our YouTube channel and maybe share the link from there. Pretty much new to live, so just bear with me, guys. This is our YouTube channel. This is one of our videos. We have less views. I guess once you guys watch the live, you guys gonna go and hit the subscribe button for sure. Let's post this vibe coding and let's see, do we have anybody? Zero views. That's amazing. Now that's gonna go crazy. Okay, perfect. Cool. So what I have built till now is the Braze POS. Let me show you guys so you might have the bit of idea that what I have vibe coded. Basically, I worked on this whole POS system for restaurants and food trucks for, I believe, more than 70 days. And every day I have worked over 12 hours. I have used Codex, that is OpenAI platform. I have used Google Anti-Gravity, as well as I have used Cursor. So you might would have heard about all these platforms. So yes, that is the perfect thing. And let's go and start with today's thing. So, what problems I faced with, I faced while making this whole app was the sales part. Okay, I was not able to do the sales. I found pretty lately the sales reps are charging a lot. Like they are just going to call and they are just going to get me leads and some of the appointments booked, and then I have to just convert those appointments. But all those appointments, they were charging me like super, super high. So what I've thought about is let's make agentic AI, and that AI is gonna do whole sales process of any company. So right now we are going to target three of the niches. So like I have decided two of the niche. I have not decided for the third one. So first is going to be the SaaS models, like the one that I had made. So anybody who wants to grow, wants to increase their business, or who wants to just move ahead and just do the sales, or they can't hire the sales team, or they don't want to hire the sales team and they want to hire something super super highly powerful sales team, then they're going to come to us and they're going to get our service. So that's where we're going to stand. And for sure, we're going to use two different companies. Like first two clients of ours are definitely ready for us because that's going to be us, like nobody else. Because the platform that I'll do its sales using the same platform, as well as we'll do the sales of Praise POS too. So we're gonna do whole this thing, the bunch of stuff we're gonna make. I'm going to make every single thing on the live stream. So yes, welcome all, and let's get into it. Let's start with the sorted simple thing of our sales. So what all things we're gonna work on is it is going to be an autonomous sales OS. So what do we mean by autonomous sales OS is basically there will be different stuff like from sales funnel to lead, we can generate the leads, we can get the leads, we can after getting the leads we need to clarify like what all leads are the best ones, what all can we go and reach out to. Then our sales rep, as in the agent who is going to be the sales rep. Now, this sales rep is going to be brain first sales rep. Like no other company in the world is working on brain first sales rep. We're gonna make the brain, and then the sales rep will every like on every other call, the sales rep is going to get trained. So this is how I'm thinking of moving ahead. Once you guys are in, like we're gonna talk more on this. We guys gonna get more stuff on this. So yes, for sure. Let's go and let's start coding and let's see how it goes. So this was the whole app. This is the Brace POS. Like I believe you guys gonna love this whole thing. So we have different pages and let me show you logging in so like you guys can see how the restaurant's POS works. And this was the AI first POS. So like we have like I have integrated a lot of AI features into it. For sure, I was not able to, sell this thing just because I didn't have the sales part. But for sure, we're gonna sell this and we're gonna make money out of it, revenue out of it, for sure. So let me see what's the problem. Perfect. Yeah. So this is how a sales stuff look. I'm sorry, the POS stuff look. So yeah, I'm sorry guys if I fumble sometime. I'm just first time doing the live. So yeah, let's go. So this is how it looks. Basically, every single thing like from tables. So like this table is on the top just because it had the active order. And once the active order gets completed, so like right now the active order is not over here, but it was the last table that had the active order. So once we refresh the day, it automatically goes down. So this is how the POS looks. We had made different, like there was ad intelligence in here. So ad intelligence is basically closed loop ad intelligence where people can directly make a advertisement just from here. So like Google match rate, meta match rate, and everything they can see. Even we had integrated SMS match, email match, every single thing that you can think about. They can run ads on Copilot from here. So this was the one of the best parts. We have AI staff Copilot. So basically, this is the staff Copilot who works on, who can just talk with the people, talk with the guests of the restaurants, and anybody can easily order something. So if you go to a restaurant, if you just want to talk about any of the dishes they offer, you can just ask the AI chat assistant, like, I have these allergies, what dishes I can go for? So they can get that. So yeah, that was the part. Now, this is the whole POS system. Now let's get deep into the thing that we're gonna make. So I will just open up sales creator. We're gonna name it sales creator. Okay. So what I'm gonna use is Codex. I'm not sure you guys have heard about Codex, but if you are doing vibe coding, then for sure you guys would have heard about Codex. Let's. Oh, there is a new update. That's nice. Let's update it. This gets updated. Let's open cursor too. We can have. So we gotta go up with multiple agents so that we can start working over every other thing that's possible. So cursor, I believe it's opening up. Codex is ready. We give it the full thing. Let's start with the review, like review command. Okay, so our MCPs are out of time limit, so like they then start. So let's keep it aside because we right now don't need any MCPs. For sure, we're gonna talk more on MCPs in the near future, but right now let's just talk about reviewing the whole code base, and we don't have any bugs because I did work a bit on the thing I have made. Let me show you what's ready so that you guys can have the idea. Let's get it started. Well, that whatever issues, I guess potential issues is the best word. Potential bugs, find, mention all those, and make a comprehensive plan to resolve all of those. Perfect. I believe we are good with this. Um, so you can see it will start working. We can name the tab so we don't get, I'm sorry, bugs window. Okay, this is on. So let's get over this. Let me show you guys what all stuff is already built so that you can have a bit of idea that how everything works. Wow, nobody is there on our Twitter. I believe this is my first like. Perfect. So this is just the page that it has built. Codex has built this, and this is just the simple landing page it has built just with a single command. So we're gonna work more on this for sure, and we're gonna make this completely impressive page that no one has thought about for sure. And once you just log in, okay, there are two issues. Let's copy. I guess let's copy like this. Um, let's make it find all the things. Mm, okay, the problem. Okay, I believe the auth is the problem. So let's get in here and mention the problem. Perfect. So now it will start working on the issue, and once the issue is solved, we can get ahead on this. Till that time, maybe we can just get in here and start remaking this. For designing any of the pages, I have found that Google anti-gravity is just crazy. It's just crazy. Like I rebuilt my whole landing page of Braze POS on Google anti-gravity. So I believe let's just go in there and try it out. Let's see how does it make. We're gonna ask it like we have multiple stuff in here. Like we have added all the. Okay, so this was the test app that I made while I was making the YouTube video. So the first YouTube video I have shown like how to go ahead and do everything. Right now, let's just add one more workspace. Um, Open new workspace and let me get sales creator. Where's my sales creator? It's here. Perfect. Okay, so over here, we're gonna go with Gemini 3 Pro. Yeah, Pro, trust it. Okay, so now we're gonna ask it first, understand the whole code base, and then let's move along. And okay, let's not move along. Let's make it first understand the whole code base, and then we gonna work on the designing of the landing page, as in the home page. Let me put down the home page too, so that it can have a bit of idea what I'll be talking about. And keep it on planning first. So it will just go deep and it will dive deep on this and it will plan everything out. Okay, let's see how it works. Perfect. So these are all the projects that I've worked on. is the Braze POS that I had worked before this. It was one of the best projects I've worked on, like 12 hours a day. It was like hell. But yeah, we good now. So yes, let's see how does it build it? How does it work on it while it is doing all this? Let's keep it here and let's see what all of our windows have come up with. Oh, nothing has come up with anything. Like they are working super high. Okay, let's make all the windows smaller so that we can have a little bit more windows so that okay, okay, it is generating something. Let's see while it is doing something. Um, Review policy always proceed for sure. Turbo is on. Review analyze. What's there? What's there? Oh, it is ready with the implementation plan, guys. This is the part. Let's see. Let's see. Let me turn on the music so that we can vibe along. Okay, guys, so I was ready with another plan. Let's see what the plan is. Perfect. So now it knows that the content must align with the brain first vision doc found in docs. Perfect. Global design system. We're not gonna do global stuff right now because um, we need to try different things out, so that we can then finalize what all things we wanna go for sure. This sounds good. This sounds good. This looks perfect. Let's ask it to do it. Proceed with the plan, bro. Is there some problem on our live or what? Let me just. I believe there should be no problem now. Looks like reconnection is successful. Still gonna have the issue. Believe there should be no issue now. Okay, this is working perfectly. We are ready with some stuff over here. The webpack for both dev and build to avoid the turbo pack source. Okay. Wants us to do this. Let's do it. Let's just add one more stack. Okay, let's leave this. It says it is ready with the thing. Guys, seriously? Let's see. I'm excited. Shit! See, this is the thing I was talking about. Wow. Wow. Crazy. 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 I was talking about pricing page and all. Where is pricing page? It says RMS and everything. Layout. Okay. We can comment on everything. That's perfect. PNPM dev. Yeah, that's what we are doing right now. There is no pricing page. Where is the pricing page? Like it's just here or yeah. Guys, look at this. Look at this. It has given perfect effects and everything. But if we're here on the why there is no nav bar? Perfect. This sounds super good. Read the manifesto. Ah, we don't have the manifesto or what? Let's ask it to generate the thing. Okay, it says it has perfect. Perfect. This sounds good to me. Actually looks good to me. But no other pages of anything or what? Doc says nothing. No other pages have been made, bro. What the heck? It should have worked on this stuff. Computer is running on low storage. We have the low storage, guys. Need to work on it. Let's remove all the files so that please work on all the pages. On adding the visuals, Gemini 3 Pro is great because it uses Nano Banana and it uses like everything super good. So let's ask it to do it. Shit, I was on mute. I'm sorry. Heck, the design it has made. Look at it. It says I fixed it. Perfect. I can see you have fixed it. Docs. Docs is still not added. This looks pretty decent for now because it says the brain engine, a complete operating system for autonomous sales. It manages memory, strategy, compliance, so you don't have to. That's amazing. Guardrails engines like hard pricing floors and ceilings. Do not disclose D&D. All this looks good. We're gonna have script and playbook engine, context graph. This sounds good. This sounds good. Look at Next.js. It's doing something shit, but it says it's good now. Nice, nice, nice. We have the base. We have the documentation now. Perfect. Perfect. So we are ready with our first landing page. That's super basic, I know, but for sure, it's gonna get the best. Let's move ahead. It's nice. Once somebody logs in, we have all the pages in here. What do you guys think on this? Should we have a dark mode or just the light mode? Do let me know in the comments. Nobody has joined right now, so for sure not right now, but yeah. How is Twitter doing? Hmm, okay. Looks perfect to me. Now, what I think about designing is going once to Figma. Let's just log in. Let me just log in here. Okay. I'm gonna ask the thing to make it completely advanced. So we're gonna use Figma's AI to draft out the whole page. Okay, let's just add a new project or maybe that's perfect. This is gonna be for sales creator. I don't have to add anybody. Um, we're gonna use uh, what is the thing? What is the AI thing that makes the whole page and everything? I'm not sure. Is it Fig? Oh, it's Make. It's Make. It's Make. That's amazing. Okay, let me give it a prompt, a perfect prompt, so that it can make the whole dashboard design, so that we can start working over the design. Because if we'll ask some other tool, Figma is the best for designing, right? So like I'm gonna take you through each and every process we're gonna use for from designing to making everything work, from back end, like from front end to back end, and every single thing. Okay, so right now we're gonna make the front end perfect. Let me just open it. Oh, we have a viewer. That's amazing. Completely perfect. I've given a perfect command for it. Till then, let's see what this thing has done. It has made the docs. Perfect. Vis- Visuals and what should be the prompt for adding the visuals? Like start adding perfect visuals for as well as make sure to add the testimonials and how to use comments on the home page. Perfect. So we're gonna have this part ready. Let's see what it makes comes up with. I'm sure it will come up with something crazy. Okay, till then we have a perfect prompt ready for Figma. So let's give the prompt. Let me see what it's gonna do. Design a multi-page web dashboard for sales creator, brain first AI, perfect. Desktop, show responsive behavior, hands and mobile, perfect, perfect. It's gonna have all these things. Crazy. It's just this much or what? No, it was making it is still making the prompt. Let's wait. Perfect. Till then, this is ready with the whole thing that we have reviewed. Looks good. It is still making the prompt. Heck, this is going to be amazing. Till then, let's explore some of the things that this thing has made so that we can have a bit more idea on what all Figma is going to offer us. We are ready with this. Perfect. This sounds good. Nice, 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 nice. It has given the from pilot scale 3. Perfect. It has the testimonials too. For sure, this is the first version of our website. So we're gonna make it like hell. The first version is for sure gonna be the basic one. Okay, now we are ready with the prompt. Let's go ahead. Let's make it start working. Just give me a moment, guys. I need to turn this off. Why does this thing is hell out of its mind? Perfect. I believe. Believe now this should stay stable, and it is not. This thing is building, still building up. This is crazy. This is crazy. Let's see, all of the bugs are resolved. Perfect. I guess I'm gonna have to work on the camera thing. Let's decrease the quality a bit so that we might have the bit of idea that if any problem is there. let's turn this off because you guys gonna be super crazy on this. Let's just keep on talking and making this stuff out. Okay, where does the read manifesto guide us? Okay, manifesto page is also made. The death of the dialer? Why are we building the first autonomous sales OS? Sales tool, sales software is broken for 20 years. We have been tools, dialer, sequencer, the demand more from work less, the AI wrapper problem. Not everyone is rushing to build AI STRs closely. Most of them are wrappers. That's perfect. That is super, super perfect, guys. Like I need to turn the camera on. This is the super perfect thing. Like everybody is building the AI wrapper, but nobody is building the actual calling intelligence, the brain first thing. And I believe that's where we stand. That's where we have to get deep on this. Let's see more. Let's see more. Let me turn off the camera. Our promise, vertical first, we launch in verticals where we have deep domain expertise. That's perfect. It's not gonna be SaaS, medical and insurance. No, we're not gonna go for medical and insurance. We're gonna go for marketing agencies, SaaS models, and the third is still not decided. This looks good. Pricing opened up. About the brain engine, guardrails. All the pages are components you mentioned in the footer, so that perfect. It's gonna go and make the plan for this. Let's see how does the plan go. Well, that we're gonna check this starter for pilots. $49, one AI rep, one phone number, one vertical config, 500 pulled minutes. We need to have a custom plan too. Like if somebody wants like three different agents and three different like something like that, like three different agents and multiple minutes, so we can get them that thing. What say, guys? It's like multiple minutes and multiple agents, so whatever they want to choose they can choose, and as per that the pricing will be set it up. So I believe we can make that. We can add the thing, I guess, in here, the custom part. Over here, we give up to two AI reps, two phone numbers, two vertical configs, 5,000 pulled minutes, full drag and injection, call scoring and tagging, A/B testing. Perfect. Everything should have, all the plans should have the calling feature because we are highly focused on calls. So let me ask this. Okay, it has came up with all the pages. Plan. Proceed with all the proceed with the I'm sorry. Make sure the perfect. Sounds good, sounds good. Okay. Let's See how does it make this? While it is making the thing, we gonna use our brain. The brain is always codex. Let's ask it to use and make the thing. Look at Next.js, guys. It is just crazy. It just compiles right away. And so the best stack to use while you are going to do the vibe coding is Next.js, Node.js, and you can go for Supabase as your database as well as the auth partner. That's the best way you can go with. Let me ask. There's um, on the pricing page. Think of adding the custom pricing, like people can add more agents, like we can have a slider and we can ratio be more reps. Call or more nets. More calls or more minutes. Custom pricing. And for selecting minutes or number of calls, there should be a toggle, right? So like there should be a toggle so that people can, select out of calls and minutes what they want to select. And as per selection, like if they want to make 500 calls, we're gonna take average call of 6 minutes. So we're gonna make the pricing as per that. And for sure, check out the pricing at the cost occurring to us in the docs, so you make the pricing super perfect. Yeah. We are using the model. I believe it should be OpenAI Codex 5.1 high, not the max. I guess I'm using the max. Let's move ahead. Let's see. Perfect. It has started working on. I believe I can give it custom pricing. Okay. It says something is there's some problem, like the agent got terminated. I don't know why. Let's see what's the problem in there. Whatever the problem would be, we're gonna sort it out. Okay, so today we're gonna be live till 10:30. I have a meeting after that, so we're gonna leave the thing after that. So let's build. Let's build. Believe this live is gonna go for 1 hour or like 1 hour 30 minutes something. Let me turn off the camera. I don't know if it has still some issue or not. Perfect. I have implemented all the pages. Nice. It has added this page. Why all the pages have same stuff? Okay. Over here we have guardrails engine. What all integrations do we have? Integrations is taking me to the documentation page. Why? What about authentication, calls API, webhooks? Okay. Oh, damn. This looks pretty basic. Let's fix all this. It has built a lot, like huge. Let's see what all pages it has built. Okay, in UI, I'm not gonna go in UI. Okay, it's editing. Okay, we have Subabe schema over here. We have everything ready. Okay, perfect. So like we have made the whole structure perfectly. So this can go to an enterprise level and it can just we gonna make this a unicorn for sure. It's like I'm not gonna stop. I'm all logged in over here. So if we go to just APIs, we have all the packages for APIs, for web, we have all the pages in here. It's like every single thing is structured right now. Damn. So we have the whole thing ready. Codex is crazy. I love Codex, man. I love Codex. Like you can see how the hell this is going, guys. This is just amazing. This is just amazing. Like, let's see. Let's see if I add 3 reps. Oh, it is not adding anything. Okay, it is still working on it. For sure, it's gonna. What the heck? What the heck? But oh, okay, got it, got it. So for 3 reps, it did it add anything? For 2 reps, no. For 3 reps, okay. As soon as we got the fourth rep, let's see what's the base plan. Base plan is 1299. Included pull 8,000 minutes and 3 reps. Yes, that's perfect. Okay, and we should have a option to select the base plan too. So people can select their base plan. Like if they want to start with starter and then they want to custom it, they should be able to customize it. So let me ask Codex. It says QA the pricing page locally to confirm slider and toggle. La, la, la. Okay. Adjust the minutes per call and cost per minute assumptions if you have a fresher data ops. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Looks super amazing. You worked like hell. Loved it. Now I want you to add one more thing in here. Just go and add. What do you think about this, guys? What do you think about this? This is amazing. This is just crazy. Like we have all the things in here, like how this is calculated, plan floors and everything is also given. Add an option to first select their plan and then customize it. so that one of the best customizations out there in the market. Perfect. Let's move ahead. It's gonna make it crazy. I'm loving it. Okay, it says it has implemented. Yeah, I saw that implementation, but still we don't have much of the stuff in there. Okay, till then let me check this first. Usage beyond pull, so like 4,750 minutes at 0.13 cents a minute. Get it? This is good. Cost to serve 12 cents per minute. Good, looks good, looks good. How this is calculated, overall average rate. Shit, this is lagging again. My camera is, I don't know guys what's the problem in here, but I'm sorry. We're gonna turn off the camera for now of the stream. Minutes pack add-on, 1,000 minutes for $150. That sounds good. And cost to serve uses docs blender. Perfect. Now this is the thing. This is where I just love the whole codex. Like I'm all in. I'm all in for this. It is still working on it. Best fit is scale plan for sure. Obviously, that's like I'm damn sure about this. That's the best plan anybody can go for. So how does this become 909 minutes, guys? Let me just reduce it to one. Perfect. So the one rep is included in the plan. So it's like $49, 500 minutes, and one rep. Okay. Usage beyond 5,500 minutes. Get it. What if I just make it zero? Like it's like 500 minutes. If I add, like we already have 500 minutes, so if I add just 500 minutes more, it's gonna give me $90. So like estimated margin is $19. Okay, okay. That's just a margin. That's $19, 14%. Looks good. Mm, it says $90 just because we are giving 18 cents. There should be this logic that after like somebody adds some fixed amount of minutes, even in starter plan, they should and they will have to get two reps minimum so that in that way our whole thing gets a bit more efficient as well as it can learn more, it can work more, and it can finish the given task in the perfect deadline. So what I believe is it should have something more than that. Let me get something out of it. What if I add this? Why does it show one rep over here? So this is why you guys know that how we gonna make this work. Like now, obviously we are giving two different reps in 999 plan. So why does it show one rep in here? It should already go to it should go to two reps right in here. Mm, okay, we're gonna work on it. It says it has added all these things, selected with cost, summary. It's like if I select, oh, it has the same issue with the minutes too. Like all those things should get set automatically. That's what I believe. If they have calls, okay, now it changes the whole thing. Okay, it is working. That's amazing. That's amazing. That's crazy. I love it. I love it now. Do the same with number of calls or number of minutes slider. Okay, over here we are giving just one rep, here two reps. So it has already selected two reps. Okay, it is starting with the minutes too. Perfect. Now this looks good. Okay, let's keep the pricing thing aside and let's ask this to Google anti-gravity. What's it? Add the light mode to landing. Okay, to the whole app. Perfect. It will make a plan and it'll come back to us. By then, let's keep on going with the things we have. This should have a hover effect, like it should have a hover effect so that we can make it more perfect like this. Even if this doesn't have the hover effect, but yeah, that's it. See, whenever I go to starter, it says like this is so responsive, guys. This is super responsive. Like I have fallen in love with this. Like, see, if I go to growth, it says growth is the best fit now. Perfect. Scale is the best fit now. But if we go to starter, it oh. It should always give us the perfect fit for sure. Like it should be like always the recommended should stay to most popular one, the growth one. We are already set on pricing page. Is a small component. It should always point to when somebody starter plan. Recommended plan. This is working on it. Nice, 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 nice. It's working on it. We just have the footer, sorry, the header of the part. Like, just the nav bar has this thing. Let's see, footer has this. Yeah, that's crazy. That's nice. Perfect. Oh, works for me. This looks so very basic. I don't know why. Like it should create something amazing. Like we need to add all those things in here, but if we don't have something crazy out of it, where would we add it? Yes, it should work now. It is not at all working, guys. Okay, this is so very basic. Like this is just not good. What can we connect? Do we have anything good? Nope. Let's ask it. This covers all of our needs, but all this looks super, super basic. Perfectly and once. Perfect. So I have asked it to add the whole part, like the whole. I have asked it to make the whole thing super advanced as well as like perfectly designed because this is not designed well. Like look at it, look at it. It says everything perfectly. Like December 20, December 21, callbacks and demo booked, and number of 18 soft yes, voicemail 18, like every other thing, okay? But this is so very basic. Like we have the brain engine in here, we have agents, we have leads, we have companies, we have opportunities, we have calls, every single thing. Like experiments tab, all the pages are made. Okay, like some of the pages are for sure not made, like objection and responses and everything. But yes, many of the things are perfectly made. So yes, we're gonna work more on this. We're gonna make this page look perfect, and then I'm gonna take them to the main pages of ours. Till then, let's see this. Heck. I am falling in love with this. I don't know why. This is amazing. Oh, I'm not falling in love. I don't love this. No other pages have the light mode. I don't know what's the problem with it. Perfect, but I just love this whole part. I'm in love with this. Like, see, there is now the hover effect too. We have the hover effect. Perfect, but we don't have hover effect in here. We're gonna ask it. We're gonna ask. Let's see what it does in here. Mm, Codex is amazing. Like, I'm in love with Codex. Is this working now? I have enforced light mode globally. All pages should now consider. Let's see. I can't still see it, bro. Let's give it the picture so it can have a bit more idea on it. Well, this is adding light mode. Let's have a new conversation. Add the hover animation. I guess let's keep it effect in all the pricing plans and any. Okay, let's not make it like if something gets selected, we can change it. Let's not make it like that. Shit, my camera is like doing worse things with me today. Don't know. I've connected my phone, so I believe that's the problem. We'll fix this by the next stream. Let's see right now what can we do. What say, guys? What say? What are you doing? It is working like hell. Like this is amazing. This is amazing. I'm in love with this. Okay, we have some issue. That's the issue. Let's just copy it and give it to Codex. It is not able to add the whole part. I don't know what's the issue. Let's leave it right now. Let's leave it. Whatever the problem is, we're gonna sort it out later on. I'm not gonna use this camera for now. I'm not gonna use this. Okay, guys, I believe I should keep the stream till now. I'm gonna show you guys what this thing builds tomorrow in the stream exactly at 9 a.m. And yeah, we're gonna go for multiple hours. Today, just because I have a meeting, I'm not gonna able to stay a bit longer. But yes, from tomorrow, I'm gonna get logged in, and we're gonna for sure get onto this. So let's see how many people joins tomorrow. Today it was just one, but we're gonna add more people for sure. So see you guys. Thank you so much. Have a good one.